Now, I don't know how many of you know this fruit here, but this is what we call stinking toe in a Jamaica. Other people call it locust. But growing up in Jamaica, I used to eat it a lot. Now, all time people used to tell you, say, if you choke, you have to eat some pig doodle or drink some pig urine. But today, I will use it to make a delicious punch.
Hi there everyone, welcome to my kitchen. This is your Jamaican girl Norlene.
Today I will be doing for you stinking toe punch Jamaican style. So for all of you who don't know what stinking toe is, it is actually a fruit and it is encased in a hard brown shell. And I'm using my rolling pin to crack it. You can use a hammer or whatever and you crack it and get the fruit inside. It is actually powdery and it has a brownish yellow color. So I simply will soak this in water overnight. And guys, I soon come back and let you see what I have. Let me thank my new subscribers for joining my channel. Thank you so much. Remember, hit that like button, leave your comment, save my channel to your favorite playlist, share my channel with your friends, and follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen. Thank you so much. So after 24 hours, guys, this is well soaked. I've added to that 500 liters of water. I stir it until it is blended evenly, and then I am simply going to pass this through a sieve. Now, guys, I have to use my spoon to help me so that it goes through the sieve. And guys, just look at the texture of this. It smells good. It has that nice earthy fruity scent. Now, whimsical family, if you know about this, just drop it in the comment section, let me know, or tell me other ways that you have used stinking toe. Now guys, I'm gonna add to this some vanilla milk, about 200 milliliters, and then I'm gonna add to this about 300 milliliters of sweetened condensed milk. Guys, I'm gonna move straight to add in my spices. I'm gonna add to that some cinnamon powder. I'm gonna add to that some vanilla extract and just 2 drops of almond extract and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna mix this in and put it in the refrigerator to chill. Now it's time for the food for thought. In Colossians 3 verse 13, Paul reminds us that others will have faults and failings, and we must be patient with them. We must deal with them kindly and in a godly manner. If you are celebrating a birthday, an anniversary, or whatever other extra special milestone in your life, know that Wim sees, loves, and appreciates you. So guys, if you have time on your hand and you're not impatient like me, just wait till this chill. But guys, I couldn't wait. So I add some ice cube to my punch glass, guys. And I'm going to pour this in. Just swirl it around just to cool it. Make it nice and refreshing. And I definitely don't want to change the texture and flavor of my punch. So as soon as it's cool, I remove the ice cubes.
Planning to be pregnant, do not drink this drink.
I know, guys, me just garnish off this with some cherries. It just had a little flavor. A little thing for presentation. It's not necessary. Trust me. I'll see you next week, guys, where I'll have for you another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. I see you next week, guys. Love, 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 love. Mwah, love you. I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.